Okay, part 2. So instead of I screwed these on before putting the first one on, when in fact I have to put the first one on, then put these on. The Tower Garden Company is so easy as long as you don't overthink things. And it's like, oh, well, that doesn't work. That's pretty obvious. Okay, so I'm going to do A. It's going to go in the A hole. Insert comments here. And then you screw this thing on, and now it actually fits. Duh, Nikki. I just had to stop recording, so I was being real here. And then I was like, oh, well, that's so easy. Okay, so I did one, and so I'm sure it goes into the B hole next, which is going to be right here. B hole, B hole. Nope, wrong B hole. Wrong B hole. A, B. I went the wrong way. No, look at that. I have figured it out. I figured out how to not figure it out.
A. Put it in the A. Put it in the A.
A? Okay, I put it in the A hole. No, look at that. So this doesn't quite match up. So we're almost there, but not quite. But it's brand new, so each of the holes is beautiful and clean and makes it super easy. This is funny. Maybe it's got to be in this other part. The B hole. Oh, okay. I see it. The B hole is actually in a different spot. Look at that. I was reading it wrong. All right. So this one must be in the A hole, and then the B hole's in the middle. So boom. Boom. Building the tower. Oh, see what it is. I'm not tall enough. I could take it apart. There we go. All right. One more layer higher. The only thing with this extension is that I'm going to have to get a ladder to harvest them. There we go. And it just fits together like a Lego set. And now I'm going to grow all kinds of microgreens. Okay, there's that. Yay! And now we put the washer and the little wing nut on top. But I'm actually not tall enough to see it, so I'm going to have to go get a stool. I'll be right back.
Take a look at how magnificent a tower garden looks by itself. And how short Nikki Golly really is. And she said she figured it out, by the way. I had to figure it out for her. Just saying. But yes, we're going to grow so many different kinds of greens on this thing.
Let's see if the little stool.
Holy moly, that thing is huge.
It's tall now.
It's still too tall for you.
It's still too. Hey,
The stool
I can still see.
isn't enough.
It is enough. I got it in the hole. That's the important part. The being able to see up top. Glad I am very kinesthetically aware and I can do it without sight.
Says the young lady that hurt her knee yesterday skiing.
Hey, it doesn't make me not crazy. I was skiing through the trees in the out of bounds. I got permission first for those people that are rule followers, which I sometimes am. Yay! Okay, so we have this, and then normally we'd put this little top on it if it was outside. Boom. but I am not going to. Instead, I'm gonna plug this thing into the top of it. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to use our fan once we got this going, but who needs a fan when you can grow food? Okay, here, these kind of bend over. Beep. Little arms. Beep. I'm gonna bend it because I think it's gonna touch the roof if I don't. And these are gonna hold lights. Should I read the directions on these? Nah. Because it just fits right on top. Boom. And now I have lights that are gonna go down the side over here.
This really looks like an alien. Just gonna put that out there.
It's gonna be a glowing.
It's a minion. Look, it's got the huge eyeball in the middle, right there.
Do you know what the eyeball is?
A thermostat timer or something? Timer.
It's actually a timer. So being that it's inside and it's the middle of winter, I'm gonna give it probably 13 hours of daylight, and then the rest at night. So this is actually on, so what we'll do is actually flip, it depends on the time, but you flip them down and that's off. So they're on right now. And I bet these are gonna be like really easy to put together because that's how the Tower Garden Company does it. They're amazing. Maybe I should get off of this.
Too tall? Nikki Golly too tall?
Too tall!
I don't think
Doesn't happen very often.
I never.
Oh, but look at that. And then it's just, you got a little plug, and then a little plug, and pop. Just pop together. So that's it. And then we shove the connector inside, and then just pop this baby on there, I bet. Am I the right direction though? Light, nope, it's the wrong direction. Let's do it this way because this is not a light, this is a light. Pop, pop, there we go. One light on. And now I just do this 3 more times and then push this down the side and plug it in. So I won't give you the boring details of me putting it all together, but now you see it. It's together. It definitely looks like an alien, and we're gonna start planting food today. Yay! Thank you for watching, and thanks for watching 2 different videos. The first one was a little funny. So this is Nikki Golly, an amazing Christmas gift, or if you're worried about salmonella in your greens, please grow your own. This is an amazing way to do it, and so I will take you through the journey. Over the last 4 years, I took you over the journey of outside, and now this year, I'm going to take you through the journey of using microgreens and indoor lights. So stay tuned, and like I said, the best thing you can do for Christmas is give a gift that can keep on growing.